Hello and welcome back to Car Updates Australia YouTube channel. In this video we will talk about the rumours surrounding announcement of Mazda CX-20 in Australia. Mazda has been upgrading its CX lineup of vehicles with the announcement of CX-60, CX-80 and CX-90. These vehicles are set to boost Mazda SUV options to a much more premium level, competing with the likes of Audi, BMW and Mercedes-Benz. CX-60, CX-80 and CX-90 are improvement to the current SUVs CX-5, CX-7 and CX-9. However, CX-3 is still the same old shape that came out almost 8 years ago. There is news coming out now that Mazda Australia will replace the CX-3 with a new line of CX-20. The announcement of Mazda CX-20 is expected to be in the last quarter of this year, 2023. The arrival of Mazda CX-20 in Australian markets is due in middle to late 2024. The specifications and design details of the CX-20 are not yet known. However, seeing the specifications of the new CX-60, CX-80 and CX-90, it is evident that CX-20 will be a much more premium alternative of CX-3. The price range of the CX-3 is not very clear yet, but it can be expected that the CX-20 will have a sizable jump in price as compared to CX-3. If you would like to know more details about new Mazda lineup of CX-60, CX-80 and CX-90, please see the video links in the description below. That is it from us. Hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe for receiving more informative content.